In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an ebook store. We're going to add your first digital product in WooCommerce so customers can buy and download it smoothly from your site. Start by opening your WooCommerce site and heading to the dashboard. From the sidebar, go to Products, then select Add New. This opens the product editor. Enter a clear, compelling product name, then write a thorough description. Outline what readers will gain, include a brief table of contents, and mention who the book is for. A well-structured description builds trust and helps conversions. In the short description panel, add a concise summary that will appear near the price on the product page. Next, add a cover image. On the right, set a high-quality featured image so the ebook looks professional in listings and search. Consistent image dimensions help your storefront look polished. Add descriptive alt text for accessibility and SEO. Create your category so shoppers can browse easily. In the Categories panel, add a new category such as ebook and assign this product to it. Then add product tags, use topics, audience level, or format to improve on-site search and filtering. If your store supports brands, select or create the brand for this title to keep your catalog organized across collections. Now focus on the product data box. From the drop-down, choose Simple Product for a single format or Variable Product if you'll offer multiple formats like PDF, EPUB, or Mobi. Because this is a digital product, check both virtual and downloadable. Virtual removes shipping requirements, and downloadable unlocks the file settings. Enter the essentials. Set a regular price and an optional sale price. Under downloadable files, upload your ebook or paste a secure file URL and give the file a clear, reader-friendly name. Set a download limit and expiry if you want to control access. Leaving them blank allows unlimited, never-expiring downloads. Tax settings will follow your store's configuration, so adjust only if you have a specific digital tax rule. If you chose a variable product, add an attribute for format, convert it to variations, and attach the correct file and price to each variation. Open the Inventory tab if you want a SKU or stock management. Digital items typically don't need stock, but enabling it can be useful for limited editions. Review other tabs as needed, such as linked products for upsells or advanced for purchase notes. When everything looks correct, click Publish to make your ebook live in the store. You can update any detail later without disrupting existing orders.